We are going to introduce spreadsheet functions and or and not. And if all its arguments are true, then it will present true. If one of its arguments are false, it presents false. Or if one or both arguments is true, then it will present true. Not. It will present the opposite value of its arguments, and it means that it returns logical value true if its argument is false, and it returns logical value false if its argument is true. And note, only one argument can be invoked in not function. And let me show you some example of it. No argument is true, and that means that it will present is true. If one of its arguments is false, and it will present false. No. If all its argument is true, and it will present it true. The first argument is false, but the second argument is true, and it will present it true. If all its arguments is false, then it will present it false. Not. If the argument is true, and it will present it false. If the argument is true, but if the argument is false, and it will present it true. And here are some questions for you to find out the answer.